for shear wall calculations. It is easy to use, fast, and designed to help you create professional residential shear wall reports. In this tutorial, we are going to create a complete single house report. We will begin by entering the project information. This includes the project name, project address, and the name of the person preparing the report. You can also enter your company name, job number, and any report notes that you want to include in the calculation package. The program will automatically detect and include the current date. Always remember that every report must be verified and reviewed by a licensed design professional, such as a structural engineer, architect, or civil engineer, before it is submitted or used for a project. Next, scroll down to the Design Settings section. In this area, you will find the design parameters and lateral inputs. These include the design basis, seismic and wind parameters, tributary loads, drift assumptions, and hold-down assumptions used for the report cover and calculation package. This information can be obtained from the AS Hazard Tool website, or it may be provided by the engineer of record or the professional designer. The program will automatically include some default values, but always verify that the information matches your specific project. Next, move to the floor plan section. If you have not watched the previous tutorials on how to create a wall or multiple walls, pause this video and go back to watch those first. You can find them on the tutorial page of our website or on our YouTube channel. Before placing your walls, always make sure you have selected the correct wall height, framing size, and exterior finish. After placing all the walls needed for your layout, select each wall and verify that the wall length is correct. Next, we will move to the elevation section. In this section, you can select each wall from your floor plan and view its elevation. You will also be able to place windows and doors on each wall. If you have not watched the tutorial on how to place windows and doors, pause this video and go back to our website or YouTube channel to watch that tutorial. Select each wall and place the openings as shown on your construction drawings, architectural layout, or as-built drawings. Make sure to click on any wall segment that is not intended to be structural and mark it as a non-shear wall segment. Go through each wall where openings apply and verify that all windows and doors are correctly located. You will also be able to add split lines for two-story buildings. For two-story projects, please watch our separate tutorial on how to create a two-story house. For now, we will continue with a one-story house. Below the elevation, you can adjust the location of each window or door by changing its distance from the left side of the wall. You can also delete a window or door if it was misplaced. As you scroll down, the program will begin to show the recommended shear panel for the selected wall. It will also show the recommended hold down. Do not use any option that fails your design requirements. Next, go to the View Results section. Here, you will see the all shear wall line calculation summary and the story drift check. Click the button that says Calculate All Walls or Refresh Results. This will calculate all the walls that were placed on your floor plan layout. After clicking the button, you will receive a project summary, including the calculated lateral design values. You will also see the suggested simps and hold downs for the first floor or lower level, along with the recommended shear panel information. Again, do not use any item in your project that fails the design requirements. Once the results have been reviewed, click Generate or Print Calculation Report. This will generate a PDF calculation report. The report can then be reviewed by the engineer of record, structural engineer, architect, or licensed design professional before project submission. And that is how easy it is to create a complete single house shear wall report using ShearWise. Always consult with a licensed professional engineer, licensed architect, or qualified design professional before submitting or using any report for your project.
ShearWise helps you create fast reports with easy-to-use residential shear wall design software. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to watch all of our tutorials so you can master the program and use all of the powerful tools available in ShearWise. Save time, save money, design smarter with ShearWise. Residential shear wall design.